Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited because you know what this box means. I have my Stitch Fix for May. I placed this order right after my last fix, and the first available date was supposed to be a delivery date of May 6th. It actually delivered a day late, but it wasn't terrible. Little strange that I got a tracking on Monday. So this arrived on a Friday and I got tracking on Monday. And the tracking said that it was, a label had been created. And the label was created on Friday, the Friday before. And like I said, then tracking hit up on Monday. 2 or 3 days went by where it didn't move. Then it finally started to move and I could see it was going to arrive on Friday, and it arrived Friday. My FedEx man delivered, so all is well. But if you aren't familiar with Stitch Fix, how Stitch Fix works is it is a fashion subscription service. You sign up online, you fill out a profile. When you fill out your profile and you complete it, before you get your first fix, when you select you want your first fix, you pay a $20 styling fee. But if you use my link in the comments, you can get that fee waived for your first fix, as well as I have a $50 promo, and I checked it before and it's still working, so you can use that as well. So you get the $20 styling fee waived and you get $50 to shop your box. So use that link in the comments to get that offer. Now, Stitch Fix is doing a couple of new things. One is the preview, which this is my second time getting a preview, and I can tell you I know every item that's in the box. Very excited. The items that are in this box I picked and hopeful that they'll work. They seem like things that I'd be interested in trying. There is one item in the box that for a long time I've been on the fence trying this type of an item, and you'll see when I get there and I'll tell you all about it. But I decided to try it anyways and see how it works. Open to seeing if maybe I'm wrong with the idea and the concept of this type of item for me, but we'll see. Again, should be fun trying it on. But that said, I want to get to the try on very quickly here, but I do want to thank a bunch of people. I don't have everyone's names, but I can tell you I have this box, the total amount when I get to it, all of my referrals. A lot of people use my referral code. I have enough to buy this whole box. So if everything in this box does work, I can actually buy it. So when we get to that point and we discuss pricing, hang on, because I do have enough credits to cover this box and have money left over on top of it. So that's exciting as well. But I'm not going to ramble on here anymore. We're going to get right to the try on and the fun part. So hang on and we'll be back with that momentarily. Back with the fun part and the try on, and I realized I didn't open the actual fix and box on screen. However, the bundle came in this wrapping, so I wanted to show you, since we didn't see the bundle, the Style Your Look shop by category. So if you were to shop on the app or even online, you can shop by category. So the wrapping shows that. Also, the box itself came by FedEx, but if I were to decide not to keep any of the items and send any items back, I'd be sending it through the mail, so in this priority mail envelope. So now, without further ado, I have on 3 of the items in the fix. So, and it's only 2 outfits. There's this outfit, and then one other outfit with a top and a pair of crop jeans. So this outfit, and before I even did this try on, you should have seen the style cards that you'd see on the app that looks similar to the pieces on this card. And that also shows you the pricing. So we're not gonna go through the pricing right now because you've seen them already. But I have on, and I know you're saying, what is this? This, and I'll take it off and show you closer. I have matched with this outfit. I have the Kate Spade ZeeZee phone crossbody. So this is a little, and it's Kate Spade, so it's kind of pricey, but I kept this in because I have quite a few things to go to this spring and summer. So I thought, how cute is this? So I don't know if you can see the size of it, but it is Kate Spade, and it's in like this pink color, and it has this pocket in front, and in the back it has a place for all of your cards that you may carry. And then it has, let me open so you can see, it has this zipper compartment, and the zipper compartment you can put your phone, and it also has more like spaces for cards inside as well. And it has the crossbody strap. I didn't take this all off, but it's like in this purpley color, which actually matches this color in the back for the cards. And I had it paired and over, but my stylist, when I read her note, which I don't want to read it, but this is the way she told me to style this one piece. So you're seeing, and this is taking me a little out of my comfort zone because I'm not a big jumpsuit person usually, but when I saw this item, I liked the color and I thought, well, why not? Let's give it a try. So this is by Market and Spruce. This is the Mandie button front jumpsuit. And there are buttons on this jumpsuit, and it has like this elastic ruching at the waist, but the buttons are just for show. They're not working buttons, okay? So I'm gonna take the jacket off because she said to pair it with the jean jacket. So I wanted you to see it with the jean jacket. It also has pockets, but the pockets have to be cut open if you're keeping the jumpsuit. So let's take the jean jacket off so you can actually see the jumpsuit on me. Over there. So it's bra friendly, which I think is awesome. I'm wearing just a regular cream colored bra underneath from Victoria's Secret, and I'm not seeing the bra on the front. And if I turn around, the bra is not showing in the back. So I think it's good for bras, very bra friendly. And you can see, but it has like this wider bell leg at the bottom, and it's kind of cropped. It's not a full length. Let me see if I can, yeah, there you go. So it's not full length. And also I'm wearing these shoes that were in this fix. So you could take a look, and I'll tell you all the information in a second. These are by BC. Born in California, it looks like, is the label. It's like a buckle, 2 buckles. So I mean, they're cute, and they have like the white wedge, and this is pretty much like a vinyl-y, good traction, good tread. So I have it paired with the jumpsuit, and I'll probably leave it on for this second outfit. But these shoes, like I said, these are BC Footwear, hand to hold, oh excuse me, they're vegan leather lug slide. I just had the bag with it, and I think the bag color, like the back, a little different purple, but I think you can get away with it. Just, it's a cute outfit, different. Like I said, I'm not usually a jumpsuit person, but I kind of, I don't know. And this, it's the material, by the way, it's like a very, like almost like a knit type material, lightweight, not too warm by any means, but it's a knit kind of material almost. So I don't know. I mean, again, totally out of my comfort zone, but let me know what you think of this outfit, seeing in this try on, you know, seeing it on me. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But that said, I have one more outfit and I'll be back with that momentarily. So I'm back and I have the last two items in this fix on. Like I said, this is hopefully going to be a quicker video. I know my last Transcend video was so long because I had like 14 items. So I'm trying to keep this down, to be honest, and I think we can. So these last two items on the top, this is by Pink Clover, and this is the Mara crew neck knit top. And I have it front tucked, and she also paired it with, on the bottom, these are by Judy Blue. These are the Tully Distressed Skinny Capris. I gotta be honest with you, I love these capris, and you'll see why in a minute, but if you watched my Stitch Fix video from the month before, I had a pair of capris in there by Not Your Daughter's Jeans, and they were cute, but my complaint, and my stylist listened, that's why I love my stylist, and when I get to the note, this is Emma, I have her again, I mentioned that as much as I liked them, I didn't like that they belled out. I wanted just a regular pair of crops, if possible. So she listened, and I'll pull back and you'll be able to see in a second. But let's take a look at the full outfit. So here's the full outfit, and I love both. Again, this was in my preview. I picked both items out and I absolutely love them. So like I said, I have this front tucked, but you can see the full length of this top. It's a nice length in the front, comes up a little on the side, it notches up, and then in the back it comes down and it covers the bum area if need be. While I'm turned around, these jeans are a size 26 and they have some room. They fit comfortably. They are high rise, so when I turn around, but by the way, working pockets in the back for those who are interested. And in the front, they are pretty high rise. You can see, here's my belly button. They just come right above my belly. Pockets in the front. Just really like them. They are cropped. I don't know if you can see, but they're cropped. But you can cuff them down. They're not sewn, so that's pretty good. You can keep them cuffed up if you want, shorter, cropped, or you can unroll them and take them down as well. So like that, because you can play with the length of these. So, and they are, I don't know if you can see, let me come up, they're distressed here. They have some distressing on the leg here. They have some distressing here, which does not bother me. I like distressing, so I don't have an issue there. They're a nice wash. They're like a darker rinse wash. And again, wearing them with the sandals from this fix. So, I mean, honestly, all 5 items, I really do like everything in this box. I do not have an issue with anything that was styled in this fix for me. But on top of it, I have so many credits, and I think I mentioned this in the intro, that I have enough to cover everything in this box and still have left over. So, the Stylist subtotal picks is $359. The priciest items in this fix, actually the Kate Spade bag is the priciest. That's $128 normally. Then followed by the Market and Spruce, the jumpsuit at $78. And then everything from there, this top is the cheapest. This is $34 for this. It's just pretty much a cute little t-shirt in like a leopard print. So I like it. It's really cute. But again, $359 for the subtotal. The buy all discount, if you get Stitch Fix and you keep everything, you get 25% off, is $89.75. So my order subtotal would be $269.25, $16.30 for the tax. They're applying for the whole fix, it would be $285.55, but I have more than enough in my credits to cover it. So this fix, if I kept everything, would be $0, nothing. So you can see all the people that signed up, I thank you, because I can afford everything in this fix and pay absolutely nothing out of pocket at this point. So I think that's awesome. And I know I did not read my stylist note. So hang on, I'm gonna get that. So again, I had said I have Emma, and here's what Emma said. She says, happy fix day, Janine. You know, I'm all about finding your very favorite new jeans. So I hope this pair from Judy Blue is a win. These have a shorter crop and are a more fitted feel that I hope will work well. Keep me posted. Like I said, she was listening to that note from the last fix, from the Not Your Daughter's Jeans, where I said they were a little too flared on the bottom. So she said you'll look effortlessly cool this summer while you run errands or enjoy a play date by pairing them with this leopard tee and the BC footwear sandals. They're a fun twist on the classic slip-on with a tooth lug sole and a platform heel. They definitely reminded me of your look. Timeless with a bit of fierce. Try them with the Market and Spruce jumpsuit and a denim jacket for an updated athleisure feel. Remember when I was wearing the jumpsuit, I said that's the way she told me to pair it with the jean jacket. And then she said the sporty feel of this jumpsuit definitely gives it a current feel. And of course, this blush Kate Spade bag will go great with virtually any look this summer. It's a must-have, question mark. Oh, I'm sorry. She says, is it a must-have, question mark. Until next fix, Emma. So that's it. That's my fix for the month of April. Like I said, I think Emma did an awesome job. I have some decisions to make, but again, I can keep it all because I do have the credits. So if I'm liking everything, which I think it may be a 5 for 5. So you'll have to let me know. I'm dying to hear feedback here of your thoughts and what you thought when you saw everything on me. I'd appreciate that. I love the comments, and I really do appreciate and value my subscribers and those who join me even for the first time to give me your feedback. That said, I just want to thank all of my subscribers for joining again, supporting my channel. And if you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Again, if you are not a Stitch Fix member, please feel free to use that link below. You could get your first fix, like I said earlier, your styling fee waived. Not have to pay anything for that styling fee, and also get $50 to shop your first fix. So like you can see all the awesome items I got and all of the credits, what I'm afforded in this box. So again, awesome deal. But now I think that's it. And I just want to say a simple thank you again and wish you a magical day, and bye for now.